Some people wonder, can I have fruit while on keto? The answer is no, you can't. Bye. Just kidding. That would be a really short video. You can, but it's a little more complicated than that. Before we get started, I want to know what your favorite fruit is. So comment below and let me know. Now, a lot of people think, oh, fruit is healthy, so I can have it when I'm on keto. Yes, you can, but also, no, you can't. It kind of depends. So fruit contains a naturally occurring sugar called fructose. Now, fructose, although it is natural and it's low glycemic, which means that it doesn't spike your insulin levels, it does react in your body the same as normal sugar does eventually, and kicks you out of ketosis faster than you can say peaches and cream. However, I'm going to show you some fruits that you can have because they are lower in fructose. But before I do that, make sure you comment on this video because it helps the YouTube algorithm so you can help me help other people on their weight loss journey. Also, remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. You are helping me grow. I really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get into those fruits. So the first one that I love are berries. Berries are my favorite because they are so low in carbohydrates compared to other fruits. Now, we're not talking about the more savory fruits like avocado and tomatoes because of course they are the lowest in carbohydrates. But for the sweet fruits, these are the ones that you want to have if you like them. For instance, 6 strawberries is about 6 grams of carbs. A half a cup of raspberries and blackberries is about 7 grams of carbs, and a quarter cup of blueberries is only 5 grams of carbs. Now, number 2 on my list is watermelon. Watermelon is another one of my favorites because it is so refreshing. It has mostly water in it, and because of this, you can have half a cup of watermelon diced, and it's only gonna cost you about 6 grams of carbs. So you could be sitting poolside on those hot summer days eating your watermelon. You're welcome. Next on my list is cantaloupe. Why would someone name a fruit cantaloupe? That seems like a really weird name for a fruit, right? If you know the answer, that's what you can comment below because I have no idea, and I would really like to know. Anyway, weird or not, it made it on this list. So you can have a half a cup of diced cantaloupe and it will only cost you about 7 grams of carbs. Now, number 4 on my list, my last favorite fruit is starfruit. Starfruit is a little harder to find in my area because it's not as popular, but it still makes this list because 1 starfruit is only 6 grams of carbs. So if you want to try something a little different, something a little exotic, then go ahead and grab yourself a starfruit. Now there's other fruits out there that are lower in carbs that you can have on keto. Just make sure the serving size is right because you don't want to be kicking yourself out of ketosis just because you're eating a healthy treat when really it's full of sugar. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.